Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check watch history on X or Twitter. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up X or Twitter, and then go ahead over to your profile right here at the top, tap on it. I gotta scroll down, find settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and tap on your account, and then go ahead and tap on download and archive of your data. Tap on it. And then in this section, it will ask you for a verification code sent to your email. So just go ahead and paste that code in here. And then once it loads into the next page, you won't be able to see it, unfortunately, because I'm just mirroring my phone, okay, for privacy purposes. Now in here, you have the request archive button. So all you got to do is just tap on request archive. And then it will say, we'll let you know when your data is ready for download. Okay. Just wait for a notification in your email or notification right here from your app. Okay, you'll be able to see that your download is ready. Just basically wait for at least 24 hours or longer. Okay, and once you got that notification, just tap on it and you can review everything from there, including your likes, things you've done, and most importantly, your watch history. You're going to want to open up that file. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to check watch history on X or Twitter. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.